a very interesting set of LED lights have arrived on my table. They're by EverBrite. Interesting setup. So you have an LED light. They are pre-configured to be connected, so they already have everything attached to the end. And then of course you have two of them. And then what's interesting is it comes with a complete harness. So why is this special? Because this harness, it's specifically designed to be hooked up to the car, so you don't have to scramble and trying to figure out what goes where. So it comes with a special relay that activates when the light is on. It has a controller that you could put inside the car, and then you will be able to control it on and off, and then you could change the mode. These are the lights that it has, yellow and white in between. These are the mods: flickering white, flickering yellow, yellow and white, and just white static or yellow static, or both. So it's very interesting as far as like the setup goes. Now, even in the manual, it clearly states that it should be mounted for off-road use or for a suitable vehicle that it's allowed to run this kind of lights. Why? Because you have yellow flashing lights, which are emergency lights, and then you have the white lights, which are very, very high powerful beams. So this should be mounted for something that is off-road. This is an interesting project. Definitely, if I'm going to finish my off-road van, that's the reason I got them for.